Narito na po kami ngayon. Travel kami going to Tanawan Leyte. After Palo is Tanawan Leyte. We are going to the church of Pastor
makakapagtayo agad ng business yung
Toloma. I'm going to talk with other 5 pastors over there who are also deeply affected by the Yolanda typhoon. And this place is also really devastated. So wherever I go is either in Tacloban or Leyte. The place is so very horrible. I could not describe it. Words is not enough to describe this place. There is no means of living. 100% of the businesses here are closed. People has no means of earning money. They just wait for the relief, and that's the only way he can eat if there is a relief operation coming from foundation or other government agency. So even up to now, there are a lot of dead body who are still missing in this place. So I really don't know what to say even up to now. All I can say is uphold this area in your prayer. Tacloban, Leyte, and Samar. We are going to another church, and we are going to bring bread, food, and medicine to the affected area in Tanawan, especially to our brethren over there. So thank you very much, and God bless.